First critical time of brain development starts with the age of 2 and concludes till 7. Also, because of this lockdown, their entertainment sources like play areas, malls, gardens, all have been suddenly banned and they are locked in their homes. Having all these schools locked at this time of COVID-19, I decided to start teaching him at home using some DIY activities and also continued searching for ready-made options available in the e-market. And after a lot of research on internet, I picked one of the fun learning activity boxes for toddlers and kids aging up to 12 years, which I'm going to share with you all. Hello viewers, welcome once again to the Pooja's box, and today I'm starting my new series Fun Way with Anvay. And in this series I'll be sharing all the videos of the fun activities at home which I'm doing with my little buddy Anvay. And to start with this series, I'll be reviewing one of the fun activity boxes available in the e-market, and name of that box is Flinto box. I hope many of you have been already aware of it and many of you must have been also using it. So I'll be sharing my reviews on the activities, how Anvay is taking these activities. I would like to mention, to avail these boxes we have to take subscription of 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, and every month one of these boxes will get delivered at your doorstep, and each of the boxes contain 2 or 3 activities along with one storybook and one activity book depending on the theme of the box. So in this video I'll be sharing the activities which were included in the Flinto box 1 for the age group of 2 to 3, and all the activities in this box are related to jungle and animals. Now let's have a look how Anvay is taking all these. So first activity is habitat match. In this we have got one mat on which various habitats of animals are given, with one of the parents sitting in the habitat, and kid need to match the cutouts of the baby animals to their parents.
Tiger.
But this is lion, baby.
Oh, yes.
What are you holding in your hand?
I see a lion.
Lion baby, show me. Is it lion baby? Yes, that's lion baby. And
Oh, so cute.
is it cute? And where is tiger baby? What is in your hand?
Here.
Yes, place it with tiger mama. And how does the tiger say? What does the tiger say?
Monkey jump on the tree. Monkey jump on the tree.
Monkeys jump on the tree. Okay. Then place monkey baby with the monkey mama.
Monkey.
And how does monkey do? Very good.
It's octopus.
Octopus. And where is octopus mama?
It's here.
Place it. And where does the octopus live?
It's here, Mama.
And where does octopus live? Octopus live in water.
Hey, water. Okay.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night. Night night. Where is elephant mama?
It's here.
No, it's not elephant. What's this?
It's dolphin.
Yes, it's dolphin. But where is elephant and where?
It's dolphin.
Oh, dolphin baby. Oh, yes. Very good.
Night night.
Night night.
So cute.
And where is elephant baby? Oh, elephant baby is so cute.
Mommy, look on the face.
Yes, elephant. And how does elephant make the sound? Where is elephant mama? Sit down and where?
Oh, where is mommy? Mama.
Mama elephant. Where is mama elephant?
Mama. It's here.
Yes.
Night night.
Night night.
So,
What's left and where?
my is penguin.
Baby penguin. And where is mama penguin?
Mama.
Where are you, mama?
It's here.
It's here. And penguin live in ice. What's this? This is ice, and this is ice.
Good night.
Good night.
So, what's this?
You tell me what's this?
This is a walrus.
This is walrus. Very good. And where is walrus on the chart?
Mommy.
हाँ walrus की मम्मी कहाँ हो तुम?
It's here.
It's here. Place it.
Mommy, there are animals.
One more is left.
Here.
What's it?
It's penguin.
It's not penguin. What's this animal and where?
Where are animals?
What? Okay. What was the name of that animal?
It's panda. It's panda. It's panda.
Yes, it's panda. Next activity is stacking giraffe. In this, parent need to set the tree leaves to the specific number as given on the scale, and kid will count that many number of the blocks and stack up the neck of giraffe to help him feed himself. One no? Then now giraffe face beta. It's only one.
1, 2.
Oh.
One.
You want to place 6? Then 6.
Mommy.
You place all the 6 blocks.
1.
2, 3, 4. Slowly it will fall down. Oh.
See, mommy, soon. Yes.
Suna.
Mommy, just pick it up. Mommy, 1, 2.
4. Now place slowly, gently, very gently place. 5. See, here is 6. Then we are putting 6 blocks and then giraffe face. Oh, it will fall down. Oh.
Oh, it's 4.
2. Then 3 and now the face. Because it's 3 here, na? Now the face. Yes, now. Third activity is the snake link activity. In this we have got one snake with a string and kid need to insert the colorful link according to any of the pictures given and make a snake. Snake link activity. What is it? Snake link.
I open it.
Ha beta, you open this. Wow, Anvi. Now what do you have to do? You have to place a snake on this and match the colors of the link. Yes, snake links. So many snake links. Open.
I open it.
Yes, open it. Take them out. So many shapes. And which shape is this?
This is circle.
And which shape is this?
This is square.
Square. And which shape is this?
This is hexagon.
S.
Look, what's that? Mustard.
Now you have to keep mouth on the mouth.
Head.
And you have to match the colors.
This is
Yes, red link.
No.
First link is red, na? See in the picture, Anvi.
green.
No. See in the picture. Anvi, you have to match with the picture. He did his activity according to his wish, but he did it very well. And lastly, the activity sheets which came along are completely related to animals. Some are match the following, match the habitat, or some hand paintings. Some activities like this to search the tallest or the smallest, and what sound such some animals make, or some of the random paintings which kid can do. In the last, one storybook which contains sequence of pictures related to the theme but no specific story. We have to encourage child to create his own story by telling him various stories and letting him to create also. Now that was all the stuff contained in the first Printo box. I'll be also sharing my reviews on other Printo boxes I received, and I hope you guys find these helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was quite helpful for you to understand that it's worthless to wait for corona get over and start your child's preschool learning. And also I would like to mention, this is not any branding video. You can go for any such options available in the e-market. There are millions of options available, fun activity options are available, so you can opt any one of them and can start your child educating at your home only. So see you in the next video with more such fun filled activities to help your kid start learning with. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.